Hello friends and my dear students, we have learned how to use select, we have learned how to use delete, we have learned how to use insert and update as well. And while using select, we have also used relational operators and logical operators as well. And the operator which remains is the like operator. The like operator is a special operator which uses the wildcards, means some special characters which you can use in place of the values. Like the like operator used with where clause to search a specified pattern in a column. There are two wildcards used often with conjunction with the like operator. So if you want to use like, then it should be used with select and while. So how to use this and what are the characters which we are going to use along with the like operator. First is percent sign. Percent means the percent sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. Means if you use percent sign, it means you're using single, multiple characters. And the second wildcard is underscore. Underscore, this underscore sign represents only single character. So if you're using a like statement along with or like operator along with select statement, it means the like values means identical values, equal values. So like values to compare like values, we use like operator, and along with like we'll be using percent sign and the underscore. So to use and to work on that, we'll move to MySQL. MySQL. Here this is MySQL. And this time I'm just changing the font size is all. Font size 24 and this all. Okay. And use info 12th and here so show tables where I'll be using like statement, like operator, show tables, and select asterisk from say student. Okay, so and this is less number of records. Select asterisk from employee. So here there are a bulk of records, 10 records are there. And if I want to use like, so suppose I want to select all those records which are having E in between, the names, employee names which are having E between, in between the name. So how to use select, like operator. So I want to select E name from EMP name, EMP name from employee where EMP name like, because I want E should be there in the name. So if you see Narinder, the first record, and E Indra Reddy in between, means if I want to use E in between or somewhere within the string, if E exists, then before E what are the characters and after E what are the characters. So I am going to use percent sign E, and again percent sign and semicolon. So see here, E exists in between of this name, that is Marinder, E, like this. Similarly, Rina, on third position or second position, E is there. So after E and before E, all the characters will be selected. Similarly here, and same here. Before E, there are these number of characters, and after E, there are these characters. And if I want to use like select, I want to use like S, and so this way the name starting with alphabet S, all those names will be selected. So this way your like is working. An example, and if I want to use underscore, then see what happens. So select S is from employee, see here I'm going to use select again emp name from employee, where name emp name like so 2 underscores before E and 2 underscores after E. So here you see 2 underscores before this E and after E. So it will select only Arena from there. So it means only one character underscore represents. Okay. So if I want to use like select designation not like and not like, not for negative, not like, the same E, this. See here, designation spell. Okay. EMP name, EMP name, EMP name from employee, where EMP name not like this. So except Rina, all the names will be displayed or selected. So this way we can use like and the wildcards, percent, and the underscore. Hope you understand, and if you understand, kindly share it with your friends, and you do practical on this. And in case any problem you face, kindly drop a comment. So we'll meet in the next video. And before I wind up, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as any video is uploaded. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.